1. Locate and open the fuse box. It should be located inside the car as a part of, or near, the dash. 2. Check your owner's manual to locate that operates the windows. It is not uncommon that the only thing wrong with electrical components in a vehicle is a blown fuse. If this is the case with your windows, you will need to replace the window fuse. 3. Pull the fuse straight out of its cradle. Be careful not to twist or otherwise force it. You do not want to damage the cradle or break a piece of the fuse off in the cradle. There are fuse tongs available at part supply stores that can help with this. 4. Locate a replacement fuse. It must be the rated for the same amperage as the original fuse that operated the window mechanism. The amp rating should be printed on the fuse, and it should also be listed in your owner's manual. Do not use a fuse with a higher amp rating, as this may lead damaging the electrical components of your vehicle. 5. Push the new fuse straight down into the cradle. The fuse must be set. This means that it does not move or wobble. 6. Turn your car key to the on position. This provides power to your windows and allows you to test them. You need not start your car. 7. Test your windows. Confirm that they go up and down without restriction.